Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ledger Flex Cold Wallet. Begin by inspecting the box and verifying the device with Ledger Live before powering it on. I will walk you through setting a PIN, writing down the recovery phrase securely, and connecting via USB-C or Bluetooth. We will cover app installation, receiving and sending crypto safely, and basic troubleshooting tips to keep your assets protected and accessible. Start by charging the Ledger Flex and opening the Ledger Live app on your computer or phone. Follow on-screen prompts to create a new device, choose a PIN, and generate your recovery phrase. Carefully write down each word in order and verify them in the app. Use a durable backup method and split storage locations for redundancy. Finally, install the apps for the cryptocurrencies you plan to use and confirm balances before proceeding. When sending crypto, open Ledger Live and initiate a transfer, then confirm the details directly on your Ledger Flex screen. The device signs transactions offline and returns the signed data to Ledger Live, keeping your private keys safe. For receiving, share your address from the app and verify it on the device display. Regularly update firmware and apps and avoid public or untrusted networks when managing significant funds for added safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.